Today I'm going to show you how to use phone as mic on Windows or PC. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So I would prefer this article rather than just showing you, because in this article you can see the both comparison with the PC and the mobile, so that will be better for you. So you can just easily just follow it and you can easily use phone as your mic on your PC. So first of all, you have to do one thing. You have to use the WO mic. You can see this for Windows. You have to download and install, you can see, Linux setup. So you have to first of all download and install the Linux setup on your PC. Then you have to install WO mic APK directly from Google Play or Play Store from your phone. After that, install client on PC. You can see WOMC client on Windows. You have to install this software. After that, you have to install device driver on PC. You can see WO mic device driver for Windows. You have to install it, and because once the driver is installed successfully, O mic device will be created automatically, and follow these steps to check if the device is detected. So you have to just press Windows plus X, then click device manager in the top menu. Then in device manager, go to the sound, video and game controllers, and O mic device should be listed and work well as shown in the below diagram. Now I will show you elaborately what you have to do. Okay, that was the summary. So first of all, you have to download the WO mic PC client and mobile app. Okay, you can see. After that, you have to do on your PC, you will also need to install VC runtime redistributable, which is available on the same page. Okay, then you can also find the WO mic app for free for your iPhone in the App Store and for Android in the Google App Store. You can see here is WO mic client on PC and O mic on Android. After that, you have to open O mic in your phone and computer, and this app is represented by an orange microphone icon against a white background on both your PC and phone. You can see. Then you have to tap on the settings option. After that, there will be a transport button. You have to tap on the transport and you have to select the USB or Wi-Fi. So I prefer the Bluetooth one. That will be easier because you don't need to use any USB device for it. So after that, you have to tap on the start button using O mic for Windows. You have to just tap on the start button. Okay, then you have to return to the main screen in the mobile app and tap the start icon that I have already mentioned you. Okay, you can see that. Then in the PC, you have to go to the WO mic client and you can see a connection button at the top left side. You have to tap on the connection button. Now there will be three options. Just tap on the connect button. Okay, now there will be many transfer system. If you select the USB for mobile, you have to select the USB for here, or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. As I have preferred you Bluetooth, you have to select Bluetooth for both. Then you have to tap on the OK. Now the targeted Bluetooth device will be detected. So here is the device, you can see. After that, you have to tap on the OK button. That's it. Then you have to select the information in the detail pane. You can see. Okay. Then you have to target, you'll need to specify certain parameters for the connection before you can continue, unless you are using USB, in which case you do not need to add any specific information. So if you are using USB, this is the benefit. You do not need to add any specific information, but as you are using USB, you have to go to the developer option in your phone and you have to turn on the USB debugging from your developer option. So after that, you have to tap on the connect, and that's it. You should be see your current status in the panel at the bottom corner, and as soon as the connection is successful, any noise picked up by your phone will be transmitted to your computer. And if you want to hear the sound that are picked up, go to the option, then play in a speaker on your computer client, and consider wearing headphones while listening to your audio, preventing your phone from picking up any echo or interface. So you can click through the connection, disconnect on your computer, or tap on the stop button on your phone to end the connection and recording. And if you can't establish a wireless connection with O mic, make sure TCP outgoing port 8125 and USB incoming port 8126 are not blocked by your firewall program, and see the WO-FQ fetch for additional help. So that's how you can do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.